That's fast and that's high. The square leg umpire will just assess.
The height of the ball there, definitely above waist height. He will have to bowl that one again as well, and that too a free hit.
Yeah, I'm with you. Clearly above the waist. Offside. With pace on. Gets away with it. Ends the 4th over. 28 without loss.
That's a good shot. That's such a good shot. It may look easy.
He's seen a bit of width outside the off stump. Well, that ball's just gone on with the arm, but just given himself room. Opened up that front shoulder. Timed it beautifully over the covers.
Down on one knee. He's played it wide of that fielder. It doesn't really matter where the fielder is, because this is the second maximum of the match, and both of them coming from the Warriors.
And he's a big, strong lad. Not afraid to take on that wide, long on boundary. Second 6 of the innings. Really getting on their way now.
He really does hit it hard, doesn't he?
Under 6. This time he's trying to bowl it flatter. Too flat.
Well, he smashed that.
I certainly like hitting the spinners through the offside. Just a little bit of width. Gave himself room. Smashed it past that man, an extra cover. It's not even a meter away from him, but couldn't get himself anywhere near it.
Yeah, too much time for George available on that occasion.
Other than just the too much time, it's a kind of thoughtful cricket, because he realized he doesn't have to force it square and doesn't want to try and hit it down, because the 45 is inside the circle.
Oh, this is such a good shot, straight down the ground. This has been so good from George Thomas. He's 44 from 29, and it is becoming quite easy for the Warriors.
He has been so good, especially against the spinners. He has used these bad deliveries really well and have made sure they bowl in his area. Uses the feet well. Excellent execution there.
Again, this will be another massive 6. Forget these boundaries. 66 yards, that's gone all the way, and 50 up. The second half century in this opening game of the Pakistan Junior League, and this one quicker, 31 deliveries.
He was quite silent against the fast bowlers initially, but he has really announced himself against the spinners. Excellent slog sweep there for the maximum, and his 50 in style.
Oh, this is close. This must be close. It's given. Absolutely. Hit in front of the stumps.
He wants to take a review here.
Front foot, that's fine. So we know that is a legal delivery process in order. Then into spin vision. Is there any bat? Looks like there's, to me anyway, clear daylight between bat and ball. Obviously the third umpire just has to check and make sure. Once he's made that decision, then where does it pitch and where does it hit the batter? Pitch doesn't really matter as long as it hits him in line. For me, Sana, that is absolutely out.
So the umpire has made the right decision. It seems he's going to stick with it.
And an end of an excellent innings from George Thomas. Goes for 50.